In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate lead assignment in Freshsales. Freshsales includes a helpful feature called Auto Assignment Rules, which lets you automatically route incoming records to the right salespeople. This is especially useful when you want to assign leads based on details like source, country, industry, or other field values, while also keeping distribution organized across your team. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're in, head over to the admin settings. This is where you'll find the core configuration options for your CRM, including team management and automation settings. From there, go to Teams and Territories. Inside this area, select Auto Assignment Rules. This section is where you create the logic that tells Freshsales who should receive specific leads or records. For this example, we're going to create a rule where the source is website and web form, and those records will be assigned to a specific team. Click Create Rule, then enter a name for the rule. Choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple assignment rules for different lead sources or regions. Next, set the condition to sources in. This condition is useful because it allows you to match one field against multiple possible values in a single rule. In other words, instead of creating separate rules for each source, you can group them together when they should follow the same assignment path. Now select website as one of the source values. This means any lead that comes in with website as its source can be captured by this rule. Then add web form as well. Including both values in the same condition helps simplify your setup and ensures that similar inbound leads are handled consistently. After that, choose the team you want these leads assigned to. In this example, select Green Team. This tells Freshsales where matching records should go so they can be distributed among the appropriate users based on your assignment setup. Once everything looks correct, click Enable to activate the rule. At that point, Freshsales will begin using it for incoming matching records. One important tip before you finish. Consider using a fallback rule. A fallback rule is created without conditions, so if a record doesn't match any of your specific assignment rules, it will still be assigned instead of being left unowned. For example, you might have one rule for Canada, another for the USA, and then a final general rule with no conditions for everything else. This helps make sure no lead gets missed. And that's it. Your automated lead assignment rule is now ready in Freshsales. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.